Yeah, I think media wise, I mean, certainly digital is where a lot of emphasis is these days. I mean, it's a big catch-all phrase because pretty much everything is digital. I mean, except an actual physical paper magazine, but even that has a digital component to it, right? A radio show, it's not digital except it has a podcast. So yeah, it is. And then you've got other stuff that's websites, connected TVs and streaming and all these different stuff so yeah, as far as the way people consume content, certainly there. I think just in general, things that I think are happening as far as the way people are enjoying and using guns, self-defense is still going to be big. It's always going to be the number one reason people own guns. I think also there is a big influence of social media. People, their interest in guns is being steered by social media. And what I mean by that is they're doing things because they want to be able to share it on social media.
Because it looks flashy.
Well, it looks flashy. So like the whole, the obsession about comped guns right now, I think that's for the gram. Like this gun shoots flat. Okay, a comped gun will shoot flat. That's what it does. And it looks cool in slow-mo. It looks cool on your reel, on whatever. And I think that, you know, we want to show custom Cerakoted guns because we want to show the world. We want to show people. It's not just, no one gets a Cerakoted gun and doesn't take a picture of it.
Yeah.
You know, it's like, no, the reason I'm doing this is to post it. That's the reason I'm shooting a comped gun in slow-mo on my phone. That's the reason I'm having a tiger stripe purple Glock customized. I think the other part is, and that's not all bad, right? I think that it leans into the fun aspect of guns because you come from a law enforcement background, but you're well-rounded in things. We tend to sometimes say, well, what's this for? What's the purpose of this? And I kind of like the movement of like, who cares? Like, if you like it, buy it. It's fun. It doesn't matter if it's goofy or if it's cheap or if it's not going to survive the apocalypse. Like, it's okay. Guns are allowed to just be fun and you're allowed to buy them and shoot them for that reason. And I think along those lines, so many people for so many years have loaded up on semi-automatic firearms, pistols and rifles. I think that there's a little bit of like, do I need another AR? Do I even want one? Is there a category of gun that maybe I should look at that would be a new fun thing for me? It's kind of the
like lever
action.
Exactly. Yeah.
And you know, things with wood on them. You're like, oh, that's kind of fun and pretty. So it's, again, full circle, right? They're like, wait, over and under shotguns, those are neat. Revolvers, you make them run. You pull the thing and the cylinder goes, and like, this is like analog shooting. It's like they can't keep vinyl in stock because people are like, yeah, I know, I have every song ever made in my phone. Every song, every version of every song ever made, except that people go buy vinyl and they put it on a record player and they play it and they go, wow, and they lean back. Just give me whatever song comes next is what's on the record. I'm not curating this.